what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who is enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So for today's video, I'm just going to show you how I created this bright red sparkly look. This week I've been like super into bright looks, so I'm like, why not just continue the trend and just do a video about it. This look was inspired by the floral shirt that I'm wearing, and fun fact, I realized that 90% of my wardrobe is floral print. Don't know what that says about me, but florals look pretty, so we'll just go with it. So I took the red from the shirt and the peach and tried to make like a eyeshadow look. The colors, the eyeshadows that I used to create this color was I went into Pinky Rose's 80s Baby palette. Sorry, I'm like talking like a mile a minute. And I went into the color Amour. And then I went into the color Whiskey and put it under my lower lash line. Then for the insane amount of sparkle that's on my eyes, I used Urban Decay's Moondust in the color Starlight. I actually got this as part of my birthday gift from Sephora. And this is the first time I've used it. It's so pretty. It's like a peachy, colory, shimmery color, and it's nice. And it totally worked for what I wanted to do today. And then for my brow bone, I went into Briar Rose's blush palette and used the highlight here. And then because I just couldn't help myself for sparkle, I went into Smolder Cosmetics Midnight Dreamer palette, which unfortunately is no longer available. And I just used the color Love Spell right here. This makeup look is actually pretty easy to do because it's not many colors. This is a really bright shadow look, so I know it's not for everybody, but I love color. I'm not afraid of color, so I just totally went for it. And before I keep rambling on about nothing, I'd like to keep this video short and easy and quick for everyone. Let's go into how I created this look. So like always, I just prime my eyes with a base, and you can use whatever concealer or primer that you want to use. And now I'm just going to go into the color Amour from Pinky Rose's 80s Baby palette. And I'm just using a Moda brush, shade brush? I got it in my boxy charm. I actually really like it. This color is very, there's a lot of color payoff with this. So I'm only gonna really have to dip this once. And I'm actually going to apply it to my entire lid. Which I know seems like kind of crazy, but it's what I'm doing. There isn't actually too much pickup in the pan with this color, but it kind of went a little bit on my face when I was doing it on the other eye, so I did have to clean it up a tiny bit, but nothing like crazy. So just like that, and then I want to take a blending brush. I kind of want to smooth it out a little bit. And then I'm actually going to go into Briar Rose blush palette. I'm going to go into the highlighter in there with just a pencil brush, and I'm going to apply it to my brow bone. And then I'm going to go in with my blending brush again and just smooth them together. Then for like an insane pop of sparkle, and like this is very sparkly, and I'm thinking I probably should have used like a glitter glue with it, but I hadn't used it before. I'm using Urban Decay's Moondust in the color Starlight. I got this for my birthday present from Sephora, and I hadn't used it, and I was like, oh, this will go perfect with like kind of like the theme of the outfit that I want to do. So yeah, but it is super glittery. I'll show you right here. So pretty, and it kind of goes all over the place, but it is really pretty, and I'm applying it with my finger, and I'm just applying it mainly to my mobile lid, although my eyes are hooded, so it's gonna go everywhere. And this does go everywhere. I know I've said that like 1,000 times, but just to kind of reiterate it. So kind of just like that. So off camera, I just applied eyeliner to my eyes and some mascara and some eyeliner to my waterline. And then I'm now just going to go back into the Pink Rose Cosmetics 80s Baby palette, and I'm going to go into this color Whiskey on a small little brush. I'm going to apply it under my lower lash line. So, and then I just want to take a tiny little blending brush. I just smooth it out a little bit. And I also want like a pop of sparkle on the bottom of my lower lash line. So I'm actually going to go into Smolder Cosmetics Midnight Dreamer palette. Unfortunately, this is no longer available, but the color that I'm going into, Love Spell, is just kind of like a rose goldish shimmer right here. So there's a lot of other brands that have something similar to it. And I'm just going to take the brush that I had Whiskey on, and I'm just going to apply it to that, and then apply it over Whiskey. And then for a pop of light in my inner corner, I'm just going to go back into the Briar Rose Blush palette and go back into that same highlight that I applied to my brow bone, and I'm going to apply it to my inner corner. There's a tiny bit of fallout from Whiskey, so I just want to brush that off. Okay, so this is the whole look done right here. It's just some really bright, fun red look. I hope you guys liked it. It's a nice, quick, easy tutorial. I mean, this really is, it was like 3 eyeshadows, and I just wanted to do something kind of simple, but also something that's really, really bright, because I'm in the mood this week for like really bright colors. So I'll, of course, list everything that I'm wearing, along with all the palettes I used below. If you really like this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really liked it, please feel free to subscribe. If you didn't, that's totally fine. Thanks for stopping by. I still wish you a great day and send you tons of positive vibes. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and be you, do you, love you.